This was the only escape ramp that's in place between, the tunnels and Denver. And that's 40 some miles of coming downhill. One of the issues prior to the project was, as you're coming down Mount Vernon, the ramp was kind of hidden behind a curve. So as the trucks are coming down or vehicles are coming down, they had to make a left curve or left turn. And as soon as they made that, the entrance to the ramp was there. We were able to shorten the ramp and move the entrance further down the hill to give truck drivers more of an opportunity to be able to make the decision to get in there. In addition to moving, the entrance of the ramp, we also got rid of a really nasty drainage feature that ran parallel to the ramp to allow late entry. So if a truck driver misses the entrance, they could still get in there. We also put some, use some ITS technologies in there for some advanced warning up front, which tells the drivers whether or not the ramp is occupied or not. When these things catch on fire, you got a fire engine out there. They're pumping all this water, and there's all sorts of chemicals and everything else that end up in there. So one of the things that we also did was we designed these vaults that'll contain all that water that can be pumped out afterwards. Being able to get the trucking community, CDOT, all the stakeholders, emergency responders, all in one group, and being able to come up with a solution that seems like it's working is probably the biggest win.